Hello viewers, today we are going to make the bird balance very interesting project. Basically the bird balance is nothing but the concept of center of gravity. So these are the parts. I have taken the T-shaped beam and the 3 module connector pack, and I have connected the connector pack in T-shaped beam like this. Now I have replicated the same, because one we need for the base and second we need for the top. Now I have taken the beam and I have taken the another beam. With the help of these two white color beam, I can make the base, and now by using the T shape I'm making the stand. Now I've connected the 3 module yellow color beam, so it's well connected. So we have completed the first part. So this is the stand. Now after that we are going to make the second part. So I've taken the 2 pointer as well as the axle, and I've connected the connector pack, and then after I've connected the axle and half bush. Basically I'm going to make it like as a shape of the bird. So I've connected the 2 module connector pack with half bush. I've connected the half bush like this. So I'm going to make it in the center. Then after I'm taking the angular axle extender, the part is going to be connected like this. Then after I've connected the axle, and then after on the bottom side I've connected the 2 gears. So now place it over here. So this is nothing but the example of center of gravity. In center of gravity, basically the mass is going to be distributed. Now what I did, I'm just going to make it as a rib close to the center position. So see, somehow it is going to be a little bit inclined. So now I'm going to remove the weight. So see what happened. No, it will not stand. So again I've added the weight over here.